Hello, my dear students and viewers. Welcome back to my channel, Scorpio Class. If you're a class 10 student and preparing for your board exam and looking for model question papers, then you're on the right platform and watching the right video. As in this video, I'm going to share SSLC Model Question Paper 1 for the year 25-26 of the subject Mathematics for English medium students. So this video is going to be very helpful for you all, as you are going to get all the idea of the different kinds of topics, the types of questions that are asked in your board exam. Here I'll be sharing number of model question papers of mathematics so that you get a clue of what kind of questions are repeated, so that you can focus more on it, as those questions are very important from exam point of view. So the main purpose is to share the questions with you all so that you get an correct idea of what kind of questions you need to actually prepare for your exams. So we'll start with the mathematics model question paper 1. But before that, if you are new to my channel and watching my video for the first time, to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of all the upcoming videos. You can also join my WhatsApp channel. The link is shared in the description box, where I keep sharing the important videos, model question papers, solved question papers, and the other study materials. If you want any other question papers or any notes related to your academics, you can comment me in the comment box and join the WhatsApp channel so that I can share it. And you can also connect with us through the email ID, which is again shared in the description box. So we'll start here with our mathematics paper for English medium students, model question paper 1 for this academic year. Subject code is 81E. The time duration is 3 hours and 15 minutes and maximum marks is 80. Now at the start of the paper, you have some general instructions which you need to read it very carefully. The first point says that this question paper consists of 38 questions, and then there are some instructions against each question which you need to follow. The figure in the right hand margin indicate the maximum marks for the questions, and the time to answer the paper is given at the top, and it includes 15 minutes for reading the question paper. As you saw, 3 hours 15 minutes. 15 minutes is for your reading the question paper. So these are some instructions for the candidates, for the participants of the exam. Now we are going to start with our first one. And my dear students, if you want other subject question papers, model papers like English, Hindi, Science, Kannada, I have already uploaded in my channel. You can check it. I'll be sharing the playlist link and the video link in the I button above. And also there are notes available which I'll be telling you in the later part of the video. So stay tuned. So let's discuss our first main. The first main in your maths paper will be the multiple choice questions. It will be for 8 marks. There will be 8 questions, 1 mark each for each question. What you have to do is you have to choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. So follow the instructions properly as it was given earlier. So if you select option A, then you have to write option A1, the complete thing, as your answer. Do not just write A and leave it, or do not just write 1 and leave it. You have to write the entire thing. That is the correct format as they want you all to write the answer. So you can just go through the question paper, try to find out the answer, solve it, so that you can get a complete idea of what sorts of questions are asked in multiple choice questions. Okay, if you need, you can pause the video, you can take the screenshot, and you can take your time in answering it. So these kind of questions will be asked along with the pictures and images of the diagrams, graphs. Then question 3, linear equation. Choose the correct one and write along with the alphabet which is given there. Then you have question 4, the arithmetic progression in the following is dash. Then fifth one, the given frequency distribution table, the median class is. Okay. Then sixth, then seventh question. And the last is eighth one. Quadratic equation question is given. So these are the topics which they have basically asked in your first win, that is MCQs. The second win is answer the following questions. Again, this is 1 mark each. They have 8 questions in total. Question number continues. So question 9, 10, It is 1 mark, so do not go in very much detail in solving in very detailed steps. But yes, if you know few steps which you can do it well, you can very quickly, you can just show that and you can go ahead with the next questions because it is 1 mark. Okay, so do not sit and like try to solve with the detailed long answer, long method. It will just be waste of your time. Okay, so these are the questions which they have asked for your 1 mark. So till question 16 is your 1 mark questions. And then starts your third main. Again, it's answer the following questions. Again, you have 8 questions, but these questions carry 2 marks each, total of 16 marks for this main. Now here you can see some of the options. So question number 17 here has an option. You can do any one. So go through the question properly, very carefully, and just attempt any one which you are very sure about. Do not sit and do all the both the sums and waste the time. Instead, you just see which one you know well and which you can score well in which of the questions. You can attempt that. Then question 18th is compulsory question, no options given. Again, question 19th has an option there or is given. So any one you can attempt from here. So these are the kind of questions which are asked. Okay. Then question 20, 21, 22, all are compulsory questions. And then geometry question 23. You can pause the video if you want the question for the longer time. And then question 24. So there are few optional questions which they have given. Be very careful there, read it, and then according to your ease, you can select the question. Then we have next fourth main answer the following questions. Here you have 9 questions of 3 marks each and total of 27 marks for this main. So question 25, 26, both are compulsory question. You have to attempt it. And then 27 has an option in it. Any one you can do. Read the question properly, carefully, and then choose it to answer it. Okay. Then question 28 is also having an option in it. And then question 29 also has an option. So you can take your time in selecting and then you can quickly go with the one you are very sure about. Then question 30, 31, and 32 are compulsory questions. Question 33 is having option in it. There are 2 questions, frequency distribution table, find the mode and find the mean. Okay, both are from the same topic, but you have 2 different questions. One you have to find mean and in another question you have to find the mode. So whichever you feel it easy and you can quickly find out, you can go with that. And then we come to our next main, answer the following questions, fifth main. Here you have 4 questions for 4 mark each, total of 16 marks. So again, 34th question here is compulsory question and 35th question has option in it. Out of 2, any one can be attempted. Then you have 36th question, which is again compulsory question. And then you have 37th question. It has an option in it. 37th question has an option. This is a diagram for it. And the second question is here. It has its diagram here, figure over here. Okay. Then we go on to the next main, sixth main, answer the following questions. Here you have to attempt one question which is for 5 mark. So this is the question. You definitely will have an option here. So you can go through the word problem which is given here and the figure given over here. If not, you have one more question given here along with its figure. Okay. So this is our last question for 5 mark, which has option in it. So this kind of questions and topics will be asked generally in your board exams. So you can revise well. I'll be sharing more of the model question papers from mathematics, question paper 2, 3, and 4. And you can observe it very minutely. If you have repeated questions, that can be marked as very important from your exam point of view, because usually the repeated questions of model paper are asked in your final exams. So this was about maths paper, and if you want other subjects model question paper, it is already uploaded. I'll be sharing it in the I button above. And also, yes, I was talking about the notes. Hindi notes and English notes of all the chapters, along with the explanation, is already uploaded in the playlist. I'll be sharing it in the end screen. You can also check there, and you can also visit my channel. Through there you can go through each and every chapter, revision, summary, extract based question. Everything is done and uploaded. You can help yourself by preparing by watching those videos. And if you want anything else, you can comment in the comment box, and do like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned. We'll be back soon with more such videos. Till then, stay safe and take care. Thank you.